and I was sleeping when I got the call from my son. Well, it was a call that I didn't want to get, but my daughter had gotten into that accident and gotten killed on FM 950 going to Garwood. There was an 18-wheeler accident. He crossed the lane and hit her car, her and her boyfriend's car. He was driving. I went to the scene and I couldn't get, they wouldn't let me get to the accident. They stopped me from doing that. But that it was like 5 inches of rain, and I was wondering what this guy was doing on the road with so much rain, and it's kind of hard for me to talk about it, but I have lost half of my heart. Half of my heart's been ripped out of my chest. You're never going to get closure. You don't get past an accident like this. You just move forward. You're never going to get past losing your daughter. I'm not. Macy was a beautician. She had gone to school to be a beautician. She had left softball, which she was a real good ball player, but she had a dream of being a hairdresser. So that's what she did. She wanted to be a beautician to the stars. She like the glue to the family. She would never miss my birthday, uh, anything special, Father's Day, birthdays, things like that. She was always on top of stuff like that. My first impression of Mariah Soliz was that she was very professional and very smart, very intelligent, very smart. I could tell right away that she was very smart, and I was not going to have any problem with her handling my case because of just by seeing that how she handled herself, that she was very professional and on top of everything. That's one thing that I noticed about her real quick is that she was on top of everything. Told me not to worry about nothing. She was going to take care of it, everything. Call her whenever I wanted. It didn't matter what time. I could call her. Gave me her personal number. Just very professional. She's serious. This is no sales pitch. She is 100% professional, but like I said, very courteous. Always has time to answer the phone. Never says I'll call you back or whatever. Not unless she's in trial or whatever, but always calling me back. I didn't have to wait till the next day. If I call her on one day, she'd make sure she'd call me again. The same day. I didn't. I've dealt with lawyers before, and that's not the way they operate. But she operates in a classy way. She's on top of everything. When you see her, you at first you think, well, she's kind of young, but once you get to know her, she's right on top of everything. Very smart person, very intelligent, professional. I can't say that enough. Yeah, but it didn't take long. Once she started doing this and that, within a week and a half, I said, "What I tell you? Go get him." I texted her and I said, "Go get him," because she's a go getter. That's one thing about Mariah. She's even though we got a multi-million-dollar case settled, it's not about the money. It's about my daughter. You know, getting represented by the right people, and she did.